Ad inventory is a revenue opportunity for any publisher. It is very important that how much ad inventory can be created from the content. All these decisions are completely in the hands of publisher and impacts business revenue. Let's take an example here. In this website contains both content and ad inventory. Total inventory that can be created depends on the two factors: number of page views per page and number of ad space per page. Let's assume that this page receives 1 million page views per month, and for the total number of ad spaces, here 3 ad spaces. So total inventory is 3 million impressions. As a publisher can book these million impressions with advertisers and earn revenue out of it. Can you try how much ad inventory can be created for 1 million page views for each page for these 6 pages and inventory? As there are 6 pages having 3 ad spaces each, so total inventory created is 6 pages into 3 ad spaces and each gets 1 million page views. So 6 into 3 into 1 is 18 million impressions.